My name's Kyle. This is Chandler, and welcome to our channel. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. It's going to be another wonderful weekend working on the bus. Looking forward to getting back down there. Haven't been down there in a few days. Can't wait to see what the rust repair has turned out to be. Looking forward to that. I had a spray foam guy come down, give me a quote for spray foam, so we've got that booked into the schedule. Looking forward to that, getting that done so I can frame out the walls and start the build. So this week when I go down, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing the two MAXX air fans. Yes, I said two. I've got one for the front and one for the back because it is 27 feet long. So I wanted to put two in to maximize my airflow. Can't wait to get down there and get it going. I'll catch you down there. I gotta go find Chandler. He hasn't come downstairs at all today. I don't know what he's doing. I think he was up most of the night, so he's probably still sleeping. Let's see. Oh, there you are. Hi, bud. Hi. Hey, buddy. Hi, bud. You're being lazy. So Chandler's not coming down with us this weekend. He's going to be staying here at home. It's just too much for him right now. With me always being on the move, doing stuff on the bus. So it's just too much for him. So leave him here. He's not going to be alone though. He'll be with my weekend, he's not going to be alone. He'll be with my roommate for the weekend. So don't worry, I'm not neglecting him. He will get all the love and attention from my roommate this weekend. My roommate's been gone for 2 weeks doing his own thing. So he'll be back, and the cat loves him just as much as me. So he'll get a lot of missed attention over the past couple weeks. Anyway, like I said, I'll catch you down there.
This is where we're going to cut your roof out.
Perfect.
Tight.
Yeah.
And then back it off to where these things click in.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh, perfect. First hole going in the roof. Shit.
Sure.
No going back now.
Nope. And the battery died.
No, they're fully charged.
There we go. We have a hole.
Hey everybody, great news. Just got an email from the insurance company. I sent the appraisal to them late last night. They got back to me first thing this morning saying that the bus is fully insured and good to go. So I'm on my way right now to Service Ontario here in Ottawa to pick up the plates, and then I can take the plates down to my dad's, throw them on the bus, and get the bus on the road and get this adventure going. So great news this morning, super pumped.